Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be super fun. I'm going to be talking about how I like to prep before I leave for a vacation, and this will include hair, body, all the shebang. Let's get into it. So whenever I'm going to travel, I always like to look a certain way so I don't spend a lot of time getting ready and wasting time on vacation, because either I just want to relax and don't wear much makeup, or I want to go out and be glam and have fun and be happy. So prepping beforehand really helps me be stress-free and completely relax. I like to take care of my hair, my body hair, skin, nails, all of that. We're gonna go ahead and talk about all of those things. But the most important thing that I like to do is touch up my roots. I'm 30 years old, so I do have to touch up my roots every 2 to 3 weeks, super often. I do have a lot of grays, and I also like to keep my color kind of even toned, so maintaining that is something that is on the top of my radar. I do make content, I am in front of the camera a lot, you do see me a lot, so I need my hair to at least be looking its best. Right now I'm just rocking my natural curls, but I do like to style them every now and then. And since I do have to color my hair so often, I really think about clean products, clean living, and just clean products overall. So I discovered this amazing hair color called Matrix Wonder Color. This is the color that cares. I do not ever feel guilty about getting my hair colored so often whenever I'm using the Matrix Wonder Color. So this is my secret to having natural color with no grays, no uneven roots. All of this is looking flawless. All my hair looks great. Whether it's styled, whether it's natural, I know I can rock my hair and be super confident and ready for my vacay. Having that natural look with my hair color is what I always want. I like my hair color to have no ammonia, and it also has to last on my hair for a long time and be gentle on my scalp. Let's get ready to get my hair colored. Hey guys, today I'm here at Rekha Verma Makeovers, and we're gonna transform my hair with Matrix. You can see how lifeless and dull it looks. There are a lot of grays as well. Not to worry, we have Matrix Wonder Color. After consulting with Rekha, my hairdresser, we chose on this beautiful chocolatey brown shade. After mixing the color and the developer together, it is applied evenly all across the roots and scalp for complete gray coverage. The reason I love Matrix is their pre-bonded formula, which has no ammonia and is paraben-free. It's then spread across the entire length for an even coat of color. After letting it sit for a while, we are now going to shampoo it with the Matrix shampoo and conditioner. And voila, this is the magic. You can see how it's completely transformed my hair. There are absolutely no grays. The best part is it stays 10 weeks long. My hair color is revived without the damage. Okay, I absolutely love the result. I feel like I'm ready to do anything. I'm ready for shoots, I'm ready for a vacay, I am ready for an event. When my hair looks perfect, I know I'm gonna have a lot of confidence and just a lot less stress. The next thing I'm gonna tackle is my skin. Now, I do like to get a nice facial before I leave for a vacation, because I don't personally wear a lot of heavy makeup on vacation at all. Maybe just a little bit of concealer and powder, if that. I just like to mostly leave my skin bare, and in order for my skin to look flawless, I need to have a nice treatment beforehand. I have been raving about Meddling's Aesthetics. I absolutely love their services. I always go there to get my Hydra facial. I love getting Hydra facials. They do have some other facials that I really like as well. The Insta Bright is really amazing, but the Hydra facial is what I absolutely love, and I feel like it truly makes a difference in the overall look of my skin. It cleans my skin, it cleans all impurities, and it leaves me looking super flawless. My skin looks super prepped. I do like to do this like at least 5 days before I leave for my vacation, because I do like to give my skin a little downtime, a little recovery time, because I don't like to use a lot of actives on my skin for at least the next 3 days after getting this facial. So I like to just stay indoors, avoid the sun, and let my skin recover, and it looks pretty flawless for at least 2 to 3 weeks after that. And this is something that you need to get every month, but these sessions at the aesthetic salon are going to make almost the same amount of difference as your daily skincare routine, because they really set your skin up for success. They help in maintaining your skin, they help in anti-aging, and these are just the kind of professional treatments that you cannot do at home. You need to experience this facial yourself, and once you get a few sessions of this, there is no going back. This is one of the best investments in your skin. Definitely try it out. And then once I get this facial, I feel like, okay, now I can be makeup free. I don't need to do a lot to my hair. I don't need to do a lot to my skin. So the next most important thing is the nails. And now I do use my hands a lot, especially when I'm talking, and you know, it's just nice to have pretty elegant looking fingers when you are on vacay. So it's the summertime. I usually always do nude nails or French nails. French nails are like my OG, my signature nails, just a nice French manicure in different kind of shapes. Sometimes I'll get a square French, a V French, a U French. I just keep getting different variations of French nails. But I wanted to switch it up this time. It's the summertime. I wanted to play with some pastel, fun, summery colors. So this is like a really nice periwinkle blue. And I did these myself, okay? I didn't go anywhere for these. I actually used to go to the nail salon a lot, and then I got a nasty little fungus. It was disgusting. My nail turned green, and I wasn't supposed to get anything on my nails for at least 2 to 3 months. I had to let it all grow out. It wasn't very painful, but it looked pretty ugly, and it was just green and disgusting, and I got so grossed out. And I got so grossed out by thinking about how someone else could catch it or how I got it from someone. It's just something I wanted to avoid, and I thought, you know, okay, let's dabble my hands in press-ons a little bit. I did some press-ons around a few years ago, but I never really got into it as a regular thing. But now that, you know, after having pretty nails for a long time, it's really difficult to go back to your basic ass nails. I thought, okay, now it's time to really learn how to do press-ons properly, and I did, and I've been doing them for around 2 months now, and they just look so good. They last for around a week or 10 days. Sometimes a nail falls off here and there, and you can just pick up some glue in a nail and glue it back on. It's not gonna last as long as your typical nails would, but it's, you know, less than half the price of that, because you do this at home, and it's so convenient. You know, you can just make a nice pamper session activity about it. I'm gonna show you how I did mine, so I'm gonna insert that footage now. And then the last most important thing that I feel like all girls deal with, it's just such a tedious issue, it's body hair. And again, we are going to go back to Medlings, because that has been like my savior when it comes to body hair. Laser hair reduction has been the best investment of my life when it comes to maintaining myself. Oh my god, it has taken out so much of my stress and so much, you know, time wasted in the shower with shaving and all of that. I cannot get waxed. I got waxed once when I was 20 years old, and I got boils all over my body, and it was itchy and red and disgusting, and I just never got waxed ever again after that. So that was a long time ago, and ever since then I've just been shaving. And shaving also, because I have such sensitive skin, shaving really gives me itchiness and rashes. You also get ingrown hair with shaving, and I hate the stubble feeling, especially on vacation. Who wants to waste time on vacation just in the shower shaving yourself? A touch up on my laser treatments is such a great thing to do before I leave for my vacation, because then I don't have to worry about body hair at all, whether I want to wear a bikini or if I want to wear like a sleeveless top or anything, or a short skirt or shorts or whatever I want to wear, honey. I do not have to worry about body hair. I have had about 6 sessions by now, and I've seen such a major improvement. The hair that grows back is super scarce, and if that, and it's also super fine, and it really doesn't bother you at all. You'll not even notice the growth that comes back. It's pretty like negligent, so easy to manage, and such a headache off my shoulders not having to deal with body hair. If you want to know more about my laser hair journey, I have been doing it for a whole year, and now my sessions are very far spaced apart. So I go once in 3 months now, but before that I did go once a month. So it is a different journey based on you. It's going to be different for everybody, but I can share my experience with you. So if you want to know that, leave a comment down below and I'll make a whole video on my laser hair reduction journey for you guys. It's going to be super interesting. I know you guys have a lot of questions. You ask me on Instagram all the time whenever I post that I'm in Medlings getting my laser. It's so fun talking to you guys about it, and I also want to talk to you about laser in detail, so I'm going to do that in another video. But in this video, this is a maintenance video. I'm telling you all the things that I like to do to prep the body and the hair and the nails to be a fabulous woman who takes care of herself. Self-care makes you feel super confident, doesn't it? Once you take care of yourself and you know you're looking your best, you're doing things that make you feel good and feel happy, that is just something to be so proud of. Never feel guilty about taking care of yourself. So all of this really helps me relax and chill out on vacation, knowing that I'm looking my best. My hair is touched up, there is no white roots or anything. Everything looks nice and presentable. I'm ready to rock and roll whenever I want. I also thought about getting eyelash extensions, but I do really like my natural lashes. So if I just apply some mascara, my natural lashes are pretty fine, or I just curl them and let them be. I don't really have to apply eyelash extensions, but I did think about them. ज़रूरी नहीं है, but कोई बात नहीं, काम चला लेंगे. Okay, you guys, that is all for this maintenance video. Let me know if you enjoyed this kind of video. I've never done such a video before where I talk about, you know, things that I like to get done or things that I like to do for maintaining. I do talk about all of these things sprinkled here and there every now and then, but this was like a dedicated video where I showed you what I like to do honestly before I leave for a nice vacation and how I feel my best at it. I can also do a video on how I pack for vacation, because that is also a very organized system. Let me know everything that you want to see on my channel down below in the comments. Do try out the Matrix Wonder Color. You're not going to be disappointed. It's not going to damage your hair. Your hair is going to turn up looking fabulous. Just all the perfect hair fantasies coming true. Subscribe to my channel for more. Follow me on Instagram if you like all of these updates, because I am more active on Instagram when it comes to daily life stuff, and you're gonna know all of this like super early if you follow me on Instagram. So definitely check that out. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye.